Hello students, in this video we will discuss about the modals shall, will and would. So let's come to the use of shall. As per the traditional grammar, shall is used with first person, that is I and we, and will is used with second and third person to denote pure future action or future possibility. According to the traditional grammar, it is mainly said that we use I and we, the first person, with shall, and will is mainly used with second and third person. But when shall is used with second and third person and will is used with first person, they denote determination, threat, warning and promise. But when we do it reverse, or we oppositely used it, like we use the shall with second and third person and used will with first person, it shows the determination, threat, warning and promise. Okay, so come to the first use. Shall with first person, it indicates the pure future action or the future possibility. I shall go to market tomorrow. You are talking about the future action. We shall meet him day after tomorrow. Second point, shall with second and third person like he, she, they and any name. Indicate the promise, determination and threat or warning. He shall pay you on Monday, means you are doing a promise that he is doing a promise that he shall pay you on Monday. He shall work hard to achieve success. Here you can see the sentence is saying about determination. Okay, then you shall not lie. The someone is commanding that you shall not lie. You shall request the you shall regret this one day. Here it is a threat, like sometimes your teacher say you shall pay for it. Okay, so shall is now but shall is now hardly used with second and third person. In rare case, shall is used with second and third person. Mostly we use shall with first person, that is I and we. Shall is used in the second and third person for compulsion and necessity. In case of compulsion and necessity, we can use shall, like you shall have to wait for your turn. Then shall is used in the statement of law or regulation. You can find in the law books, and where the rules and regulation are mentioned, mainly they have used shall. So means shall is used as the meaning as may, means a duty, like the fine shall not exceed 200 rupees 200. Then in case of suggestion also we can use shall, like shall I get a pizza for dinner tonight? Shall we start the study? Shall I start the lesson? This is an interesting one, means when you can notice that when your teacher when you are talking when you talk inside the class and teacher is present at that time and teacher is irritated by your talking behavior, like at that time teachers loudly said that shall I start the lesson? If you free, then we shall start the lesson, like that. Like offering and volunteering. In case of offer, we can use shall. Like, that bag looks heavy. Shall I carry it for you? You are offering to someone. You are making an offer. Like, shall I open the door for you? Shall I carry this box into the room for you? Okay, this much for shall. Then come to will. Okay, so to express simple future in second and third person. Simple future means when you are talking about the future action, you can use will with second and third person. Means you are not sure about it, you are not certain about it. He will fight for his right. You will meet him tomorrow. Then come to next use. The use of will in first person denotes threat, warning, promise and determination. Sometimes it is said when you are confirm about something, in that case you can use will with first person. Like, I will see you. Here you are giving a threat that I will see you. I will see you. Like, I will pay you on Monday. You are doing a promise here. Like, if you cheat again, I will tell the teacher. Suppose you are in the exam center and your friend is saying he is an obedient one, and he is saying that if you cheat again, I will tell the teacher. Like that, sometimes your parents also threats you like that. If you do the same mistake again, then I will call your teacher. Okay, like that. In case of formal request or polite request also, you can use will. Like, will you close the door? Will you help me with my homework? You are asking for help. You are requesting to someone. Will you answer the phone please? Okay, suppose you are busy in some work, and in that time, at that time you are asking your friend that will you answer the phone please. Then come to offer and willingness and promise. In case of willingness and promise, we can use will. I will help you. Means it is offer. And when do we give an offer? When you have the willingness, you have the will to help someone. We will pay for you. It is your willingness that you will pay for him. I will give you a ride home. I will help you with your homework tomorrow. It is a promise. Then future prediction. Future prediction means you are talking about your future. You are predicting about it to make future prediction. We also use will to talk about what we think will happen in future, which is going to happen in future. You are talking about it in the present. In that case, you can use will. Like, I think it will rain tonight. You are predicting about the future. I am sure he will be a successful lawyer one day. It is a prediction. I don't think it will rain tonight. Means not. I think it will not rain tonight. You are sure about it. Then come to command and instruction. In case of command and instruction, we can use will. Like, all the cadets will attend the parade. Here the commander is giving the command that all the cadets will attend the parade. Then sometimes your teacher also say that all the students will submit their homework copy tomorrow. I think you have heard the same sentence before many times. All the students will submit their homework copy tomorrow. So it is a command or instruction. In case of conditional sentences or in case of any condition, we can use will. Like, I will give her a call if I can find her number. Here is the condition that if I can find her number, I will give her a call. If the weather improves, we will go for a walk. Here, condition is if the weather improves. And what will be its result? We will go for a walk. If he gets a job in Dubai, he will have to stay there. If she gets the job, she will have to move to Germany. Okay. Then come to the next model, that is would. Would is considered as the past equivalent of will, or we can say that will is the past form of would is the past form of will. So here are some examples. He said that he would get his salary the next day. Means you are talking about the past event. He said that he would get his salary the next day. And the basic rule for the use of would, you cannot use ing form or any past form or past participle form with would. You have to simply use the first form or the verb 1. But when you are writing or speaking in indirect speech, means when you are using be with it, would be, then in case you can use past participle form. Like okay, the Prime Minister assured that the children would get a decent education. Then I thought he would be late, so we would have to take the train. We had a terrible night. The baby would not go to sleep. He said that he would buy some eggs. Okay, here we have used would as the past form of will. Then come to next use. Would is used to make polite request or formal request. It is better you should use would when you are making a request to an elderly person. Like, would you accompany me to the railway station? Then, would you shut the door, please? Would you please give me the file on the table? Would you like to join us at the party on Sunday? Okay, in this way, for polite request, we can use would. Sometimes we say now when we do anchoring, now I would like to invite the chief guest to deliver a speech, like that. Here we have we are making a request, polite request to the chief guest to come over the stage and say something. Okay, then third use, opinion or hope. In case of opinion or hope, we can use would. Like, I would expect him to come. Here you are saying about your hope. I would imagine that they will buy a new car. It is your hope. Then come to opinion. Since you asked me, I would say the blue one is best. Your opinion is that the blue one is best. I hope you would like our gifts. Then come to wish. In case of wish, when you wish for something, you can use would, like I wish you would stay there. They don't like me. I am sure they wish I would resign. I wish that it would stop raining. When you are about to go somewhere and it is raining, you wish that it would stop raining. I wish that my brother would not eat all the chocolates. When you are at the school and you are thinking about the chocolate at your home, and you wish that your brother would not eat all the chocolates. Okay. Then come to another use, would for future in past. When you are talking about the future in past, means in past, if it would happen, then it would be like this. अगर ऐसा होता तो वैसा होता. समझे? Like he promised he would write a letter from London. I knew I knew the works would be finished by 5 p.m. Means before finishing of the work, you had known that it would be finished by 5 p.m. You were predicting in the past. Here you can see the active and passive voice we have used here. I knew, here it is the passive voice. I knew the work would be finished by 5 p.m. Here it is, we have used be with it, so we have used ed, finished. Then I knew the work would finish by 5 p.m. It is in active voice, so we have not used ed or past participle form with would. Then my mother already told me that when I arrived she would make a cake for me. Then come to another use, would for conditional statement or sentence. In case of conditional statement, we can use would, like if I had won the lottery, I would have bought a car. Here a condition is given. If I had won the lottery, I would have bought a car. We are talking about a condition. Then if he lost his job, he would have no money. It is obvious. When if he lost his job, then he would have no money. Then if I were in your place, I would refuse. If you asked me, I would say you should go. If I were in your place, I would refuse. Okay, so this much for today, and in the next video we will discuss about rest of the models. Till then, bye bye. Thank you.